The Lord has done it this very day. Let us rejoice today and be glad. Psalm 118 verses 24. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, let's make one of the most amazing dishes for our Ashanti King. We are making Ampesie and Kontomire Abom. In simple terms, we are making some boiled yam and some spinach, very delicious spinach salsa. It is so good. I want you to stay tuned. You're going to love this a lot. Let's get started. So we're using spinach today, and these are the list of ingredients. I have my spinach. I have one fresh tomato, one habanero pepper, some onions. I also do have some turkey berries, some yam, peanut butter, eggs, and some avocados. I'm using palm oil today as well. So first thing first, I am going to wash my spinach very nice, and I make sure it is very clean. I'm going to do this for about 2 times, and once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and put it in my pot. I'm going to cook this for just 5 minutes, and together I'm going to put some tomatoes, some medium size or small size yellow onions, and I'll also add one habanero pepper and my turkey berries. Optionally, you can also go ahead and roast your tomatoes, but today I just do not want to go the extra mile of doing that, so I'm doing this everything in the pot, and I'm covering it. I'll allow this to cook for just 5 minutes on a low to medium heat. Today I'm choosing to add some fresh baked tilapia. You know, it's very common to use the salted cured tilapia fish, which is the Kobe, but today we're going using the fresh one, which is also really good. I've already shared a very good recipe of my oven baked tilapia, and I'm going to link it here just in case you're wondering what I use to marinate my fish. It will be in that video, so please kindly go and watch it. It is absolutely incredible. So now that the fish is nicely marinated, I'm going to put it in the oven at 175 degrees for just 15 minutes. On the other hand, I'm going to now go ahead and peel my yam. Optional, you can use some green plantain as well. Very good. Or cocoa yam. Today we chose yam. It's been such a long time. So I'll go ahead and peel everything, and once I'm done, I'll cut them into the preferred sizes. You can decide to cut them in any shapes or form that you like. All right, this is such a great dish, and my husband absolutely love it. So anytime that I am making it, it gives me so much happiness. It is so good, great for digestion, and it's just so healthy. There's something about Ampesie I absolutely love. Yeah, so once I'm done cutting my yam, I'm going to now go ahead and rinse it very well with good amounts of cold water, and once I'm done, I'll pack everything in my pot. I like to cook the eggs the same time, so I'm adding about 3 eggs, and I'm going to season it with about a tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to add some cold water to this, and I'm going to put everything to a boil. This should take you just 15 minutes for everything to be done. It does not take too long for you to get your yam nicely and softly cooked. So good. Do you love yams? Let me know in the comment section. So now I'm going to go ahead and check on my vegetables. They're very nice, tender, and they're ready to go to the next step. I'm going to just slightly lower everything, and I'm going to start by grinding my one habanero pepper, my boiled onions, and please be careful, it can really splash into your face. So I'm using my asanka as usual. It is the authentic way, but of course, if you do not have time for that, do everything in your food processor and it will be very good. All right, after grinding the pepper and the onion, I'll then add my tomato, and I'll add just a little tiny bit of ginger. I'll then add my spinach, and so on and so forth till everything is done. So enjoy the grinding process. So now, once everything is very well grinded together, I'm now going to add a very important ingredient, which really brings out lots of flavor to this type of abomo, which is my peanut butter. I just added just a tablespoon of it, and I'll grind everything together. Adding the peanut butter makes it a little bit thicker, so just add in just a tiny drops of water and make sure it is nice, not too thick, and it's just evenly distributed everywhere as you see on your screens. All right, this is so good. It is absolutely delicious, very healthy, and very easy for digestion as well. I'm going to now season it with salt to taste, and as I always preach on here, salt is always dependent on your taste buds. So please go ahead and season it according to your taste. At this point, it is ready to be enjoyed, okay? You just want to go ahead and mix everything well together, and that is it. It's very well blended, so you go ahead and enjoy. But if you love some glossiness like I do, go ahead and warm up some palm oil. I use half a cup of palm oil and lots of onions in here for flavor and aroma. I also added 2 pieces of dawa, which is a fermented locust bean. Umami flavor here, we love it. You can also add some momoni to this. It will be so good. And just pour it over your delicious abomo and just stir everything together. Make sure you distribute the palm oil everywhere. You see, it is so good. Do not forget your avocados. Now my eggs are nicely cooked. I'm going to put it in cold water and just take off the shell and present it to the boss in himself. That's how he loves it. Now the yam is also very nicely cooked, very soft, very delicious. I'm going to serve it right here, and we're not forgetting our grilled oven baked tilapia. It is so good. If you have your kobe, of course, go ahead and add it here. Your kako, any salted fish of choice will be so good in here. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. This will really go well with your drink on the side, especially some sobolo. If you do not have sobolo, go ahead and drink some water. Very hygienic, very great, and so delicious. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching once again. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.